What's going on, guys? Crypto Hoy here with another quick update on Wall Street memes. So if you guys remember on my past video, I mentioned about this tension point that either it was going to explode up or down. And here we see that once it reached this tension point, all right, on October 15th, it decided to go down. So there was a lot of selling right here. And now we have reached these new levels, okay, which is below than what it was before and yesterday. And interestingly enough, we're not seeing the same patterns where the ceiling is coming down and the support is going upwards until it meets this tension point. Similar happened here yesterday, but the ceiling was for the most part just flat, but the support level was increasing, but the buying pressure was too much. So it was consolidating, but once it reached the tension point, the selling there was more pressure on the selling than on the buying, which caused this to kind of go down, to tank or dip. Now, interestingly, right here, we are seeing that it's more of a sideways type of trading going on. And it really depends on how the market views this, the holders or potential new holders view this, because right now we have already fallen below the 3 cents. And for me, I think that if it falls all the way to like 27, which is just above 2.5 cents, then that for me, I consider that as a danger zone. Okay. Right now is pretty much like on the risky zone right now at 29, because it has fallen already below 3 cents. So right now it's at the risk or risky zone. But if it falls below and hits like 27, then that's going to be like the danger zone. Okay. Why? Because if it falls here to 27, then a lot of people are going to pretty much, the fear is gonna, come in, creep in and start, messing with the holders mentality, if they should hold or not. They're gonna get afraid. They're gonna get even tempted to like sell, because there's a really high risk that it can keep going downwards. Okay. Also, if it stays here sideways, I put these two blue lines like this because it seems to be trading sideways, and we just have to check in the next few hours or minutes to see if it's able to reach this ceiling, the 3 cents, and if it's able to break through. If it hits 3 cents and if it falls back down, then that's going to confirm sideways trading. But if it goes to the 3 cents and it breaks through, then potentially we may see a recovery here, and maybe it may stay above 3 cents and create new support levels on 3 cents. But as of right now, it's just trading sideways. And the bad thing is that if this falls downwards, then that's just going to like add more wood to the fire to the fear, and a lot of holders may be tempted or may decide to sell because of the downtrend from there. And let's say that just also one thing that you need to keep in mind that I wanted to mention is that there's people already at a loss. Okay, so that also is like add that to the equation here. All right. And so, because right now it's at 29, you need to keep in mind that the final pre-sale stage price, if anybody bought this token at 3 cents, at 0.033, which is basically 3 cents and a third of another cent, if they bought it at this price and they did not take profits along the way when it went up to like 5 cents or above, if they didn't take any profits, they were just holding, then right now they're at a loss. Okay. And anybody who bought maybe like at, 3 cents and right now they're at a loss, or they bought it at 34, 33, 32, whatever, or they bought it at 5 cents, then they're really, really at a loss. Okay. Almost like 2x downwards, almost. But anyways, and so, it really depends on your strategy. You may think that, well, there's DCA, I can buy some right now. I have the hopes and I believe that it's going to go back up to like 33, 7, the final pre-sale stage price. I think it's going to go back to that level. Then, you can buy some more, of course. And if it does go up, then not only will you be back, to ground like zero, not sub-zero, but you're going to be back to where you were, but also getting some profits, right? You could do some DCA, some dollar cost average. The problem is that we don't know the future. We can only speculate and try to do the best and guesstimate, I guess. But if it does not recover and it decides to go downwards, then not only did you have lost on the final pre-sale stage price if you bought it there, but you also lost here at the DCA because now it went downwards. So you just basically increase your loss. Okay. And right now the volume of trading has been really low. So it seems like not many people are buying, or not many people are even selling, at that as well. But pretty much if it keeps going trading sideways, there is a potential that people may get bored. Okay, there's a potential that holders, if they're not really buying much, then they're basically waiting for somebody to save them. Okay, they're either waiting, if they're not buying any more existing holders, and it's just trading sideways, it seems to me like they're just waiting for somebody to save them, for like new holders to come in and buy this token to increase the price, because it's not going to happen on its own. Okay, and somebody needs to come in and buy so that this token can increase in value, or there has to be some burning happening as well, like burning tokens. But burning token is not really the solution, in my opinion. That can help a little bit, but it's not the ultimate solution. The ultimate solution is to buy more tokens, right? But if the existing holders don't view this as a discount, they don't want to do dollar cost averaging, they just basically just crossing their fingers and hoping for the best, waiting, hoping for somebody, new holders to come and save them so that they can come in and buy some more. But as you know, so far right here, I don't really see, if I were to give a price prediction right now based on this, I see that this is basically going to be trading sideways for the most part here for the next coming hours, and hoping that it doesn't fall below, but there's always that risk. But if it does go below here, this 29, if it hits 27, then that's the danger zone, which is there's a really high probability that it can go downwards if nobody sees it as a discount or buying opportunity. And if that happens, then that's going to affect even the earlier buyers. And if it reaches stage 1 price, then of course, and if you didn't take profits along the way, then you're definitely going to feel affected by this, and even feel a little bit of regret, right, for not taking profits along the way. And I know that feeling because I've already been there a few times. And so I just wanted to pretty much just point out these patterns here so you guys can make the best trading decisions, right? And of course, none of this is financial advice. Always do your due diligence and only buy what you're willing to lose, because all this is just a very, very high risk game. And just to conclude here, let's look here at the number of holders. Number of holders is still roughly around the same, which is 37,591. It was at 37,682 on Sunday. It has fallen a little bit here, but not too much. It's still roughly around the same, so I shouldn't be worried. I'm not worried about this, but if it does fall like 37, let's say if it goes to like 36, 35, then that's not a good sign. People are just leaving the boat. And also, let's take a quick look here at staking. Staking surprisingly has increased just a little bit. If I'm not wrong, yesterday it was around 470 million. Now it's at 471 million. So it has increased about roughly maybe like 1 million or less than a million more of tokens being staked. And that of course caused the estimated rewards to kind of fall from 43%. Now it's 42%. From here, let's take a quick look here on X, and really there isn't much going on. They have this pinned message since Friday, October 13th, about their exchanges where they are right now available for trading. So that has been pinned since Friday. Nothing really major, and also they're just posting news and other memes, of course, but nothing really major on the project. But yeah, that's pretty much it here for this update, guys. Share your thoughts, what you guys think, in the comment section down below, and check out my other videos. And also, I truly appreciate all of your support. If you find this video to be helpful and informative, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and also hit the bell so you never miss another video, another update. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.